Happy Friday, y'all. It is March 1st, and that means two things. Number one, it means that it's the beginning of my birthday month. Yes, I am a March baby and I celebrate all month long. And number two, that means spring is around the corner, which means the weather is getting better. And so your girl's gonna be out in the streets a whole lot more. So you may see me around, okay? Now, with that said, I promised I was gonna help you save money at the grocery store. So let's talk about what's on sale this month so that you can keep more of them dollars in your pocket. Okay, so March is Frozen Foods Month. That means you're gonna find all kinds of frozen foods on sale, like pizzas, ice cream, frozen dinners, frozen appetizers, all of those things, you're gonna see that go on sale this month. So this is the perfect time to make a little extra room in your freezer and stock up on your favorite items. Also, March 7th is National Cereal Day. So that means hot and cold cereals, you're gonna see them on sale. So if you have kids and they like certain cereals, or every now and again when you wanna have that bowl of cereal as a midnight snack, this is the day for you to stock up on your favorites. All right, so that's it for March. It was short and sweet, but I hope those tips help you save a couple of bucks. Go ahead and make sure you like this video. Also follow and share, and then comment below what your favorite cereal is or what your favorite cereal was growing up, okay? I love y'all so much, and I'm out.